This specific tutorial focuses on how faculty members submit progress reports when prompted through the Early Alert process. Faculty members at MSU Denver received 2 requests during the Early Alert timeframe. The first request is to provide feedback on student attendance. The second request is to provide feedback on student academic performance, called a progress report. This presentation focuses on how to complete that second request, providing feedback on student academic performance. Similar to the attendance alert, faculty members receive a request to provide a progress report on a timeline appropriate for the length of their course. That means that a faculty member teaching a 5-week course receives the progress report request rather quickly, within the 2nd week. A faculty member teaching a full-term course receives the progress report request on a timeline appropriate for their course, within the first 4 to 6 weeks. Where the attendance alert does not have a closing date, meaning it can be submitted at any time during the course, though early is best, progress reports do have a closing date and can only be submitted in the window of time indicated. Progress reports have a closing date to ensure that feedback provided is able to be acted upon by students and their support network ahead of any university deadlines, add or drop dates, withdraw dates, etc. Again, similar to the attendance alert, faculty members receive the progress report request via their MSU Denver email account. If the faculty member logs into their SSC Campus account, they would see the request notification repeated there as well. From either place, email or logged into SSC Campus, a faculty member simply clicks on the link provided and follows the prompts. If a login is requested, faculty members should use their MSU Denver Net ID and password. Faculty members view a limited roster for their course, as MSU Denver only requests academic performance feedback on monitored students who are part of a specific group or cohorts on campus, like scholarship recipients. Within this limited roster, faculty members can select students listed by their name on file with MSU Denver who they believe to be at risk based on class performance. Faculty members can also identify high-performing students in their course or courses as a way to acknowledge students' effort. A distinction to keep in mind is that an Early Alert progress report is focused on a student's academic performance, missing assignments, low test scores, etc. If a faculty member feels that a student is exhibiting personal behavior that is concerning, risky, or potentially harmful to self, others, or the community, a care report should be filed online so that a member of the care team can connect with the student. Faculty members can select any of the Early Alert reasons listed below for each student and can select more than one reason per student as needed, in addition to comments such as non-attendance, missing assignments, low grades on exams or assignments, or a student is on track. Faculty members click either the Submit Only Marked Students But I'm Not Done button if they will return to fill out more progress reports later, or the Submit Unmarked Students as Not at Risk, I'm All Done button. This provides the option to only manually mark students who are at risk and automatically mark everyone else not at risk. This is also the button faculty members select when they are done filling out progress reports, even if they have marked every student. Once faculty members provide feedback, they receive a thank you email as confirmation of successful submission. Students that faculty members submit feedback on will receive an email reflecting that feedback. The feedback will also automatically alert a staff member who is part of Early Alert, and coordinated outreach will occur.